Welcome to our Interactive Brokers tutorial. Today, we'll be walking you through everything you need to set up your platform as a beginner. Let's get started with creating your Interactive Brokers account. Follow these simple steps to set up your profile. Now, let's take a look at the user interface. Understanding where everything is will help you feel confident moving forward. Personalize your trading experience by customizing your dashboard. Here's how to set up your workstation effectively. Accessing market data is vital for making informed trading decisions. Let's explore the tools available on the platform. Ready to take your first step as a trader? Here's a guided walkthrough on how to place your first trade. Once you've placed trades, learn how to manage your portfolio by monitoring performance and making necessary adjustments. Utilizing charts and technical analysis tools can enhance your trading strategy significantly. Here's how you can leverage them. Stay informed in real time by setting up alerts and notifications that work best for your trading style. As we conclude, here are some valuable tips for new traders along with resources for further learning.